What up, though? How everybody feeling? Listen, hope everybody had a great and successful trading day. Win or lose, I hope you had a great and successful trading day because you don't just have to win to have a great and successful trading day, man. If you learn to reframe your perspective when it comes to losses, you will then learn to have great trading days even on your losing days. So listen, man, today is July 29th, 2025. You are looking at the 1 minute time frame for M&Q. Listen, today was a great day, man. I made what, $367, man. So this is a full red week from yesterday. Full red week, y'all. So look, let's go ahead and start, man. So I'm only showing y'all the 1 minute time frame, but below here, man, was our fair value gap. Okay, so I have six confirmations, man. Six confirmations, one high conviction entry, y'all. So this fair value gap is the first confirmation. Where the arrow is pointing at, that's our opening bell candle. Okay, so listen, price respected my 5 minute trend line. That's the first confirmation. Okay, the fair value gap is the second one. This red line here, 21 EMA, the blue line is VWAP, and the 9-1 is the 9 EMA. I'm sorry, the yellow line is the 9 EMA. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 confirmations already, right? Not to mention, well, we'll get to that later. We have VWAP. So look, this is 61% fib level for VWAP. Boom. So that's six. Before I even took my entry, I had six confirmations, y'all. So listen, like yesterday, when I told y'all that I did not pay attention to the reverse fib level on yesterday, well, guess what, y'all? I was extra locked in on context today, and I paid close attention to it. So look, y'all can see this VWAP over here to the left, man. But I had my reversal level right here, man. And the reason why that reversal level was there is because we were in a slight pullback, man. The overall macro trend is bullish, but we did have some pullback. So I wanted to see, like, are we approaching a true reversal, or are we just in a flag, man? So as you can see right here, boom, this is nothing but a bull flag, man. Price respected this trend line here, man. That's nothing but a bull flag right there, right? So now, price breakout, open the bell. All right. Y'all already know how I get down. Like, man, I post everything. I'm transparent. Like, yo, I be dealing with FOMO, bruh. Like, real talk. I be dealing with the FOMO, man, but I did not tolerate it today, man. So after price broke out, I waited, okay? The next candle was a red candle, and it's also a, what? Higher low, right? Here's the second one. First higher low, second higher low. Okay, that's like a seventh confirmation, y'all, that we're going long for sure. Seventh confirmation, but what I like to do is wait for the next candle, man. So what I did was I waited for this next candle, okay? This next bearish candle. Looked like sellers came down, but the bulls rejected and brought it right back up. Brought it right back up. So look, y'all see this wick right here, right? Y'all see that wick right there? You see it? So we get another retest of the 9, of VWAP, of the 21, of the Fibonacci level. Like 6 to 7 different confirmations, man. So what I did was, once this candle closed, right? One thing I'm learning how to do is wait for these candles to close out. So once this candle closed, looked like we have somewhat of a pin bar. But when that candle finished, I went ahead and I just entered here, y'all. Right here. I entered right there. I made my entry there and I got out up here. $367, man. Okay. Actually, let me be a little more. I entered here and I got out right here where this red pullback is. I didn't know if we was dealing with some exhaustion, man. I didn't like the way volume looked. So I got out to protect some profits, and I did want to trail it, because if I would have trailed it, then I would have taken even less profits, because I would have had to trail this kind of tight. So that was just my plan. So I got out right there at that red candle, and then I said, hey, if this holds as a level of support, then I'll just make a re-entry. And that's what I did. I made a re-entry, and then I took it at the top, because I did see some exhaustion up there. My TP was like just shy. It was like right up. It was like right there, y'all. The video is on Instagram and YouTube right now. But yeah, man, that's what my TP was. But I cannot unsee the bullish exhaustion that I saw, man. So I went ahead and got out right up here, man. And after I did that, lo and behold, price dropped. So I'm glad I got out, protected profits, $367, two trades, done within the first 9 minutes of open the bell, man. So it was a great day, great learning experience from yesterday and last week. Now the whole goal is to rinse and repeat. So tomorrow's FOMC. FOMC is 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, you know, FOMC days could be pretty tricky, man. Sometimes in the morning it could be choppy, rangy, low volume. I'm just gonna, I am gonna be in the market. I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna observe. If I see a great opportunity, I'm gonna take it. But I'm going to take it with very tight risk. I traded FOMC, like post FOMC. I can't remember when it was, like last month, I guess. But yeah, man, I was kind of surprised that price was choppy for the last FOMC meeting, man. So yeah, man, I'm like I say, I'm market structure never lie, regardless of what the reports say, man. Regardless of what's going on, I'm gonna look at market structure. If I see an opportunity, I'm gonna take it. But if not, I ain't gonna worry about Wednesday. I'm gonna prepare for Thursday and Friday, man. So that's how I'm gonna do it. But listen, man, I hope y'all had a great day, man. Remember, y'all, this reversal fib level was the key player for the past 2 days. Um, I've been using that to avoid getting like stopped out, chopped out, trapped. And again, if I, for me to really know if I'm really looking at a true reversal, it has to be a break and retest and respect my 50, 61, or 78% fib level, man. Going the opposite way for it to be a true reversal off the 5 minute time frame, okay? However, if it breaks and retests and respect the 78% fib level, bro, that's a deep reversal, man. That's a deep reversal, man. So listen, man, it's your boy Ron Legacy, y'all. From bad trades to cash days, man. We're taking all of our bad trades and we are leveling up with them, man. Because we're married to trading, man. We're married to the game. We in this for the long haul. So look, y'all, feel free to drop your charts. My email is deron0248 at gmail.com. Again, that is D as in dog, ERON0248 at gmail.com. Feel free to drop your charts in, man, and we can go over those charts, you feel me, from bad trades to cash days, bro. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think about these videos. Let me know what y'all would like to see, man. This is how I'm getting better, man. I literally do this every single day, man. I've been trading for just 2 years. But when I tell y'all, I put in like lucrative time into studying and preparing and going over my losses, going over my winnings. I do have a solid edge now. Now it's all about me mastering my risk management, man. So listen, I am on this 50K trading combine journey with Top Step. Y'all can also lock in for that. You can find it on my Instagram, Married to Trading. Check me out. Check out the journey, man. And listen, I'm in this fight with y'all, man. Bit Legacy.